Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for about 15 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shabby chic card box. So here I have a box. It's a small box. I just had it sitting around. I don't know, it came in the mail. So what I have, what we're going to do is cut off the corner or the top sides of the box. Now you can use whatever size box you have lying around or whatever size cards you have lying around that you need to have there. So I'm just gonna cut the little arms off the box like so. You know how to do that. Ain't no thing, right? It's still a little wet. I'm trying to avoid getting white paint all over. So just cut these guys off. All right. Now, first what I did, Shabby Chic is white. It's a white base. It's like a whitewash. And it's called shabby because it's, well, shabby because it comes from like, I don't know, like the French form of cheap. Shabby, it's little, it's, you know, kind of pathetic. It's not though, it looks really great. So, so you do like a whitewash, really quick, no big deal. And then what you do is grab like a silver paint or a gray paint or something and grab your brush. And now you just want only a little tiny bit on your brush. So you're gonna grab a little here, a little there. You're gonna wipe off as much as you possibly can. Don't put a whole lot on your brush. And include some white in it. That way it mixes well. And you're just gonna glide it over the top like that. See, just like that. Now, you can remove the tape that's on the box, that would be nice. Or you can keep it on to add a little texture, that's nice too. You just swipe it across just like that. See that? Nice. Swipe it across, swipe it around. Now make sure you don't keep the brush marks on there because that's pretty tacky. Take the brush marks off. And there you go. Shabby chic. Now all you have to do, if you want to make it a little different, maybe use some greens, some really light like floral greens, but you want to use muted colors. That's how you make a shabby chic card box. Have a great one. See you next time.